Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today we have a Distracted by Diamonds, my second one that I ordered. I ordered 2 canvases from them. The Cherry Lady, which I believe the video is up, should be up by now, and we are doing this one today, Destruction by Jupiter Blossom. So let's just get into it. My stepson is here, and since he got sick on Christmas and left, he didn't open up his gifts, so he's opening up and playing with all his gifts in the basement. So I'm going to take the opportunity while it strikes to have a peace and quiet. So they sent a pen with a multi-placer. This one's big. Oh my god. I think this is the biggest friggin' canvas I will be doing. Oh my goodness. So, you can already see the canvas, but comes with their logo brand washi tape, heart wax, and a heart tray. And what is the size of it? I did not check the sizes. 62 by 88. Oh my goodness. She barely fits on my desk, you guys. So from top to bottom, I'm going to just try to scroll. I think you can see the whole canvas. You can see she's looking at the explosion. You can see through the reflection in her sunglasses. So, 48 for this big canvas. It's only 48 colors. So that's what I don't understand. You know, some of my Diamond Art Clubs are smaller and have way more colors on it, like 70, 80 colors. This is a huge canvas, and this is only 48 colors. Again, they don't put special drills or ABs in here. You have to buy them separate. I like the fishnet look that she's wearing. A lot of orange, red, and yellow in this one. I think she's absolutely stunning. I love this. See, I was able to zoom the camera out today, so I think it has to do with my flash. If I put the flash on, it zooms in. But if I leave the flash off and I just use an overhead light, then I can zoom all the way out. So maybe that's the new solution. I love how she has these space buns. I love this. Has a Distracted by Diamonds up top. On the side, we have a thumbnail, size of the canvas, model number, and a schematic up top, and one at the bottom over here to the left. And of course, the name of the canvas and the artist and year. This is super cool, you guys. Also with this kit, they send a big, one big sheet of release paper. They send the sticker of her. And oh, this was like cut on an angle, a little weird. And my sticker labels. Already cut out. Here are the drills neatly placed. Here, let me zoom in. Oranges, lots of reds, yellows. We definitely have some browns, which are probably from her skin tone. Here's some pinks. I wonder where the pinks are going to go. I don't see any pink on this canvas. These are so neatly packed. I'm going to just leave them here. And here's the canvas size and the canvas model, item number, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to leave this nicely packed in here until I am ready for it. I don't know when I'm going to get to her. I am lucky enough to even get this canvas. I think when I was shopping and I was looking for her, there was only one left, or two left, I believe. So I grabbed one of them real quick. So super, super excited. Sorry, you're getting my body in the camera. That's what happens when we zoom out. I think she's absolutely really beautiful. Really excited. Oh, there goes Ezzy. I wonder if I don't even think she came on camera. She's going for a drink. Yeah, she's really pretty. I love that her face is zoomed in. It's huge. So the detail is, it's gonna be there. There's no doubt about it. There's definitely gonna be detail. It's gonna look, I know it's gonna look spectacular once the drills are on. This size, how could you go? I mean, how could you go wrong with this size? I mean, if she was shrunken down to a smaller size, I'd have my doubts. But this size, you're gonna get all the detail in the world in here. She's gonna look absolutely amazing. I'm gonna have to find a spot on a wall or something for her, maybe on the ceiling, because I have slanted ceilings in my bedroom and I can reach them with a step stool. So she might have to go up on one of the slanted ceilings, because this is huge. I don't even think I have any diamond art clubs this big. I don't even know how big the fairy is that I'm working on. Doesn't even say. I mean, she's pretty big, but I think this is the biggest size I've had yet. This is absolutely, it's absolute insanity, my friends. The canvases I get are just keep getting bigger and bigger. So anyways, that's all I have for today. I just had this one. It came in last night. I wanted to do it, the video for today, so I can put her underneath the mattress and let her flatten out on her own and separate the drills and this and that. And in one, I have all these boxes laying around, so I wanted to get rid of the boxes in the recycling. So, yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing this canvas. Check them out. They are on Etsy. They are under, I believe you find the company under Patty Wax with 2 X's. Or you can type in search Distracted by Diamonds and it'll still come up under Patty Wax. They don't have a lot of diamond paintings to choose from. Maybe because they're all sold out at this point. Because the 2 that I grabbed were about to sell out. So, you know, I made it by a hair and they were on sale on top of it. So, you know, I was lucky enough to grab them when I did. I will keep an eye out on their page and see if they restock or get anything new. I'll let you guys know if you guys are interested. But yeah, check them out. They also do diamond painting wax. I believe the scented Patty Wax. So, they might have other things on the site. I really didn't look that hard, but yeah, I'm really excited. So she's just humongous, you guys. Huge. See, I'm still doing female portraits. They're just getting bigger than 30 by 40. They're way bigger than a 30 by 40 now, wouldn't you say? So, if you guys are enjoying the content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're returning, thank you for returning. And continue to support my channel and my videos. So, I hope you guys have a wonderful day or night wherever you are. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.